Pets, particularly dogs, are wonderful companions and can bring a lot of joy and love to our lives. However, just like humans, pets can develop bad habits that can be frustrating and difficult to manage. It's important to remember that dogs are intelligent creatures that require proper training and attention in order to live happy and well-behaved life. Here are some tips for handling the day-to-day bad habits of dogs. Number 1. Barking excessively. Excessive barking is one of the most common bad habits of dogs. If your dog is barking excessively, it's important to identify the cause of the barking. Is your dog bored, anxious, or seeking attention? Once you know the cause, you can take steps to address it. For example, you can provide your dog with more exercise and playtime, teach your dog to be calm and quiet on command, or consider using a citronella collar or white noise machine to distract your dog from barking. Number 2. Chewing on everything. Dogs love to chew on things, but this can become a problem when they start chewing on furniture, shoes, or other household items. To prevent this behavior, provide your dog with plenty of appropriate chew toys and redirect their chewing behavior to those toys. You can also use deterrent sprays or bitter-tasting solutions on household items to discourage your dog from chewing on them. Number 3. Digging in the yard. Some dogs love to dig in the yard, but this can be frustrating if they're ruining your landscaping or creating holes in the lawn. To prevent this behavior, provide your dog with a designated digging area, such as a sandbox or a specific area of the yard. You can also use deterrents like rocks or chicken wire to discourage your dog from digging in other areas of the yard. Number 4. Jumping on people. Many dogs have a tendency to jump on people, particularly when they're excited or seeking attention. To discourage this behavior, teach your dog to sit and stay when greeting people. You can also provide your dog with plenty of exercise and playtime to reduce their excitement levels. Number 5. Begging for food. Dogs are notorious for begging for food, but this can be problematic if they're begging at the dinner table or stealing food from countertops. To discourage this behavior, teach your dog to stay in a designated area during mealtimes and provide them with their own food and treats in that area. You can also use deterrents like a squirt bottle or a loud noise to discourage your dog from begging. Number 6. Pulling on the leash. Many dogs have a habit of pulling on the leash, which can make walking them a frustrating experience. To discourage this behavior, use a front clip harness or a head collar to give you more control over your dog's movements. You can also teach your dog to walk calmly on a loose leash by stopping and changing direction whenever they pull, and rewarding them when they walk calmly beside you. Number 7. Chasing or jumping on other animals. Some dogs have a natural instinct to chase or jump on other animals, which can be dangerous for both your dog and the other animal. To discourage this behavior, provide your dog with plenty of exercise and playtime to burn off their excess energy. You can also teach your dog to stay focused on you and ignore other animals by practicing obedience commands and rewarding them for good behavior. Number 8. Separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is a common problem in dogs that can lead to destructive behavior and excessive barking when left alone. To address separation anxiety, start by gradually increasing the amount of time your dog spends alone and rewarding them for calm behavior. You can also provide your dog with plenty of exercise and mental stimulation to keep them occupied while you're away. Number 9. Stealing or hoarding objects. Some dogs have a habit of stealing or hoarding objects, which can be frustrating and even dangerous if they swallow something they shouldn't. To discourage this behavior, provide your dog with plenty of appropriate toys and objects to play with, and supervise them closely to prevent them from stealing or hoarding items. You can also teach your dog to leave it or drop it on command, and reward them for good behavior. Number 10. Aggression. Aggression in dogs can be a serious problem that requires professional help from a qualified dog trainer or behaviorist. If your dog displays aggressive behavior towards people or other animals, seek help immediately to address the issue and prevent any potential harm. In conclusion, managing bad habits in dogs requires patience, consistency, and proper training. By identifying the cause of the bad behavior and taking steps to address it, you can help your dog become a well-behaved and happy companion. Remember to provide your dog with plenty of exercise, playtime, and positive reinforcement to encourage good behavior and discourage bad habits, and seek professional help if necessary. For more details, visit our official website www.petcarewing.com.